What's going on, folks? Welcome to Survive to Thrive Trucking. My wife says I lack enthusiasm, so here we go. We are going to go ahead and open up this box again with the PDI tuner that we just bought. And I'll tell you what, other than my wife's wedding ring, this is the smallest damn thing I've ever spent $2,500 plus on. This better work. What? Everybody wish my daughter a happy birthday.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
All right. How old are you?
8 years old.
8 years old, that's right. Cool. What are we doing today?
Kings Island and Dave and Buster's.
That's right. All right. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
All right. Just uploaded a video. Well, rendered a video, so that'll come up later. But anyways, guys, this is the PDI tuner right here. Look how incredibly small that is. Yeah, we'll just have to go ahead and see how this works. I need to have internet service, so hopefully I can use my phone's hotspot and get that set up on my truck when I go back to it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to bring the truck here to the house. And then here's the magnetic mount. That was free. Normally it's a $50 mount. And that was actually included in the purchase, but I did have to buy an extension cord for it, and that's not here. So hopefully I can still hook it up. We'll just have to see. But Big Boss Tuner, horsepower, torque, fuel economy. Fuel economy is what we're going for here, people. Of course, power and torque ain't so bad either. That's my other daughter you hear talking on the camera. And then performance tuning, customized gauges, and vehicle diagnostics and vehicle settings. One good thing I like about the PDI tuner is, other than tuning the truck. What? Do you want to be on camera too? Yeah. You're like, why is Sissy the only one that gets to be on camera?
You want to come on camera?
Oh, now Big Sis has you now, doesn't she? Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. I know.
It's a nap time.
When did she get up, hon?
Like 6:30.
Oh, okay. So, wow. Yeah, it is about nighttime. Close to. So anyways, one thing I like about these PDI tuners is not only does it tune the truck for better fuel economy or performance, but it's also got, like, you know how on the newer trucks you can like have several different gauges on the instrument cluster. Well, on the digital instrument cluster, telling you your fuel mileage, all that stuff, your EGRs, all that stuff. Well, you can do that on here. So I can actually watch live what my fuel economy is doing with this. And see, I don't know how accurate it'll be, but that'll be nice to be able to watch that live, which is something I could do with my old truck, but I can't do with the truck now. I figured we'll go ahead and open it up here, show it to you guys, actual in the flesh tuner instead of just what's in the box. So let's go and open her up and see what we got inside of it. Oh my gosh, that is so tiny. Whew, look at that. Now see, my truck is a older 6-pin adapter, so that's what I had to order. Make sure when you order these things, it'll ask you to specify the engine, how many pins your ECU is and everything like that, you know. Of course, on my truck, mine's like the last year that the 6-pin was still a thing on the Peterbilt. So I got a 6-pin. So we'll see how that works. And then you got a power cord. Yeah, I can't believe how small that is. Probably just mount it right there to the dash to the left side of my steering wheel. And we'll go from there. But yeah, guys, I will install this on the truck eventually here soon. But just wanted to go and open it up and show it to y'all. But anyways, y'all have a good one out there. Be safe, and we will talk to you guys later.